Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at the COSCO Shifter Multi-Position Folding Hand Truck and Cart, a versatile tool designed to make your life easier with its heavy-duty, durable steel frame that boasts a 300-pound weight capacity. This hand truck is incredibly easy to use, featuring a quick conversion system that requires no pins or tools, allowing you to switch effortlessly between a 2-wheel upright hand truck and a 4-wheel cart. Its multi-position capability ensures you can tackle a variety of tasks with ease, whether you're moving boxes, furniture, or other heavy items. One of the standout features of this hand truck is its easy storage design. It folds flat for transport and storage, making it a breeze to fit in most car trunks. With product measurements of 49.25 inches in height, 16.625 inches in width, and 13.75 inches in depth, it offers a compact yet robust solution for your moving needs. Weighing in at just 14.92 pounds, it's lightweight enough to maneuver easily while still providing the strength and durability you need. So, if you're looking for a reliable and adaptable hand truck, the COSCO Shifter is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.